Hello, welcome to Wallach once again. I'll be your tutor, Patrick, and I'll be teaching 4th grade. Okay, so let's start with division. Okay, so let's try number 1. 143 divided by 65. 65. Okay, and the closest number that can go into 143 as multiple of 65 is 130, which is 65 times 2. And then we subtract this. That's 13. So it would be 2 with the remainder of 13. Okay, let's try doing another one. Let's try doing 5. So 457 divided by 70. Okay, and then the closest number that can go is 5 and no, it's not 5. It's 6. 6 times 70 is 420. And if you subtract everything, that would be 37. So the answer would be 6 with the remainder of 37. Okay. Let's go on to the second page, and this is just more division once again. However, this is smaller. It's just smaller numbers. So let's try doing number 3. Okay. So 286 divided by 12. Divided by 12. And then we just do multiply 2. 24. Because 36 is too big. And then we just subtract that, and that's 46. And then the closest number that can go into 46 as a multiple of 12 is 36. So subtract that 36. And the remainder is 10. So the answer will be 23 with the remainder of 10. Okay. Then let's try doing number 9. 483 divided by 20. Oh. Okay, and then the closest number that can go is 40, which is, then subtract that, and then the answer will be 83, or the remainder will be 83. And then the closest multiple of 20 that can go into 83 is 80, which is 20 times 4. And then you subtract that, then you get 3, which is 24, remainder of 3. Oh. Okay. Now let's go on to the third page. This is just, okay. Let's start with this multiplication. So 57 times 62. Okay. And then first we go with the bottom right corner, the number on the bottom right, which is 2. 2 times 7 is 14. Then 2 times 5 is 10. Carry the 1, which is 114. We're going to put the 0. 6 times 7 is 42. 42. And then carry the 4 over here. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. And then just add 4, 3, 5, 3. So the answer would be 3534, 3534. Okay. I'm leaving this to you guys because I'm pretty sure this is pretty easy math, and I think you guys are good enough to do that. We'll try division. Okay, so let's try doing 13. So actually, let's try doing this parentheses question. So we'll do 15. Okay, so pandas. Okay, so we always do parentheses first. Okay, and the numbers that are in parentheses is 5 times 2. Therefore, we do 5 times 2 first. So it'll be 4 times, and since 5 times 2 is 10, we just put 10 over here. Okay, and then 4 times 10 is 40. That's basically the answer. So for number 14, I'll just, so number 14, we would do parentheses first, right? So we do 3 times 4 first, and then we do 2 times the product. Okay? Now let's do a word problem. Okay, let's try doing number 1. There are 125 people signed up for a class on making kites. Each group will have 13 people. How many groups will be formed? So 125 divided by 13. Okay. So that'll be 9. The closing number is 9. 7, 9, 11. 8. So there are about 9 groups formed. And that's because, that's because 9 is the maximum group for 13 people. And for this one, remember that there's 60 minutes in an hour. 60 minutes an hour. Okay. And then for 4, remember for July, there are 31 days in July. Remember that. And yeah, everything else should be good. Okay. Actually, it might not be 31. It might be 30. Just search it up.